everyone, just back again this week to introduce your numeracy. So we are going to be counting in 2s, 5s and 10s, and this is something that you have already done, so I know you'll be fab. So if we just look at counting in 2s, I've got a number line here to show you, just to remind you what's happening. So I've got 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and it will keep going, wouldn't it? But just have a look. Each time it's adding on 2, add 2. So jumps of 2, 2 more each time. And I've got my tens frame here, and I've got it organised in colours of two counters of each colour. It just makes it much easier. So I can count 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. If we look at counting in 5s, again I've got another number line. This time jumps of 5, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Look, we're adding on 5, add 5, jumps of 5. If I have my counters here, I've got some counters and I've got them in groups of 5. So I can use my knowledge of counting in 5s to count these counters. It's much quicker than counting in 1s and having to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can just say, right, 5, 10, 15, 20. And finally, we look at 10s. So here, count with me, we've got 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Did you say 100? So look, adding 10. Jumps of 10, 10 more each time. And I've got my bead string here. We know in a bead string, our beads are organised in groups of 10. So I can say, well, there's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 beads on this string. And later in the week, you're going to have a look at how you can record a calculation for those equal groups. So if I have these groups of 2, I've got 2, 4, 6, 8. I know there's 8, but I can record it as 2, add 2, add 2, add 2 equals 8. There's those 4 groups of 2. And the same for if there was 5. So this time I've got 3 groups of 5. 5, 10, 15. And I can say 5, add 5, add 5 equals 15. So I hope you have lots of fun. There will be a maths challenge on Friday again for you. Keep up the fabulous work. We love hearing all about how you've been getting on. Keep going.